guys, it's time to guess the sound with Tayo. Listen up to see who's making the sound. Can you guess that sound?
Oh, wow, how adorable!
I hear the barking of a puppy. Yes, Tayo is looking at a puppy.
Oh, wow, how adorable! Is it your puppy?
Yes, isn't he cute? And very smart, too.
A puppy is a small dog.
Wow! That's awesome! I would like a puppy as well!
Can you guess the situation by listening to the sound?
Huh? Don't follow me!
Is a puppy following Tayo? Exactly! The lost puppy in the road is following Tayo.
Huh? Don't follow me! I'm not allowed to take you with me. Oh dear.
Can you guess the situation by listening to the sound?
Wow! Awesome!
Are buses playing with the puppy? You're right! Our bus is also named that puppy.
Name since it's part of our family.
Name? What would a good name be?
Oh, since the fur is black, how about Blackie? It must like the name.
Let's call it Blackie then.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, this puppy is very smart. Can you guess the situation by listening to the sound?
Whoa! Watch out!
Is the puppy in danger? That's right! The puppy was almost hit by a car. Maybe the road is too dangerous for the puppy.
It was so close. Cars are very dangerous, aren't they?
Last quiz question. Can you guess the voice?
My mom said that we can take Blackie home with us.
That voice sounds so familiar. Who is this? Well, let's see.
It's Dury! What are you doing here? Oh, my mom said that we can take Blackie home with us. What?
So Dury adopted the puppy? Yes, he did. Wow, that's really nice. Now you guessed all the sounds. Great job, guys! Shall we enjoy listening to a song? Yes! Oh, where has my little dog gone? Woo, woo. Here I come!